Hi, hello, namaste, adab, assalamu alaikum, sat shri akal. Welcome to Gustorator. I'm gonna give you some interesting updates about YouTube community around the world. Before going to the updates, I'm gonna say thank you for subscribing the channel. So please subscribe the channel, watch the full video, like the video, hit the bell icon, and press all for the notifications. So what we gonna talk about is Carey Minati in magazine, BBK Vines most streamed in India. Fishing Freaks got his golden play button. Hutch Benwell completed a billion. What? The Pixel Kingdom completed 50 million views, and KSI replied to Jake Paul. So let's dive into the updates. The first update is about Carey Minati. Ajay Nagar aka Carey Minati, a 21-year-old, is a YouTuber, a streamer, one of the most subscribed and top individual YouTube creator in India. Having around 27.5 million subscribers and mostly known for his comedy reactions, roasting videos, diss tracks, and got famous and crazed due to the most interested topic YouTube versus TikTok, and now got published in one of the famous magazine TMM India in the December edition and posted in his Instagram. Streaming success Carey Minati. And the next update is about BBK Vines. Bhuvan Bam aka BBK Vines had completed shooting for the most awaited project Dindora in Delhi and started to Mumbai. So regarding that, he posted a pic in his Insta and also achieved most streamed YouTuber 2020 in India, tweeted by Rohit Raj, saying one of the most streamed Indian indie in India. Bhuvan Bam is one of the most streamed Indian independent artists this year in the country. Congrats to BBK Vines. And the next update is about Fishing Freaks. Fishing Freaks is a Malayalam based YouTube channel and one of the most viewed fishing channels in India with more than 1.3 billion subscribers, and best known for the fishing related stuff, and finally got his most awaited award from YouTube, that's golden play button. Then posted the pics showing his award. Congrats for receiving the award. And if you doesn't know what YouTube play button is, it's a official award given by YouTube to the YouTube creators to appreciate the creators for achieving milestones like 100k subscribers, then silver play button, 1 million subscribers, then golden play button, and finally 10 million subscribers, then diamond play button. Note and fun fact, it doesn't contain any silver, gold and diamond in the awards. So next update is about Hutch Benwell. Hutch Benwell, an Indian YouTube creator known for his comedy content videos, recently completed 11 million subscribers and also nominated for OTT Filmfare Awards. Had received 1 billion views in his channel. Congrats for achieving 1 billion views. We already discussed about Hutch Benwell in our previous videos. If you doesn't know about it, then please watch the video, link is in the description. So let's talk about some international updates. The first update is about The Pixel Kingdom. It's a Gemini based YouTube channel having over 1.6 million subscribers, known for the most interesting games and mostly famous for Pokemon versus Angry Bird and Among Us, etc. And created Among Us with 100 players with 99 imposters in a fun way, and recently created 1001 players in Among Us game and completed 50 million views in just in a month. And if you doesn't know about Among Us, it's an online game played with 10 members and having 1 or 2 imposters who kills fellow players and win the game as imposters or defeat the game by ejecting imposters. This all will happen in a spaceship. They all be in spacesuit in a comic way, and most played game by the very famous YouTubers around the world. So the next update is about KSI. KSI replied to Jake Paul. KSI is a UK based, one of the most subscribed YouTuber, and we already discussed about him. To know more about him, watch the previous video in this channel. And coming to the update, KSI commented about Jake Paul versus Nate Robinson in his meme review video titled as My Thought About Jake Paul versus Nate Robinson, and said, I mean, fair play to Jake, he did beat Nate Robinson. I knew he was going to beat Nate Robinson. I was wishing that Nate Robinson would F him up, but in all honesty, I knew Nate wasn't going to win that. Then he also commented, basically Jake saying that he would beat me, but I have beaten his brother and I'm going to beat him. I'm just waiting for the pandemic to be done. I'm going to F him up, man. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned to Gustorator. Please like and share the video, hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.